A renowned pharmacologist, Professor Julius Nyanzi of Prof Bio Research, has justified that Uganda can thrive well by producing products from locally available resources to earn money. He was training over 250 participants at the 7th Great Sundowner on producing biodiesel, a product derived from mixing ingredients with the main product candle nut oilseeds, locally known as KIWAGALA and Jagala. Take a watch.
6.
From children using the candle nut seed to play duel, Uganda seems to be reaching the takeoff stage after a renowned professor, Julius Nyanzi, from Prof Bio Research, trained Ugandans to produce biodiesel from the seed. In fact, these children are playing with a great resource that can boost Uganda's economy and make them even rich. On the second day of the 7th Great Sundowner, Professor Julius Nyanzi of Prof Bio Research has trained Ugandans in over 7 products that will put money in the pockets of Ugandans.
We went ahead to train them how to add value to cooking oil by producing biodiesel. This biodiesel can run generators, it can run agricultural machines, especially those which use diesel. And the first of its kind, we have tested out the fuel to the amazement of the general population, and they have really appreciated this technology.
He said that these diesel products are easy to make, as he explains the procedures.
And the biodiesel we are talking about is very easy to make. It's a matter of mixing any oil or fatty product, let's say animal fat. You can melt the fat, mix it with salt and distillate, alcoholic distillate, any distillate. Instead of drinking alcohol, we can use it to produce diesel. The biodiesel, I can say, it is a great breakthrough for this country because we have a lot of sources of cooking oil. When you look at seeds like sunflower, castor seeds, candle nut seeds, locally known as KIWAGALA and Jagala.
Nyanzi also trained participants in fast-moving consumer goods like soap, nitrous, cooking oil, jelly, and toilet paper that have a ready market.
Even the core itself is made from boxes. The core is that hollow pipe where the paper is fixed. So that hollow pipe, we roll it with the paper and then we make our own toilet papers.
He has launched a book, The Prof Story, which includes science and technology, new methods of farming, adding value to produce, coffee planting, etc.
But I thought it was at this particular junction or particular time that I can